Halo semua, ketemu lagi dengan Neni di sini. Hari ini aku mau masak santan ayam ya guys. Nih santan ayam. Nah, ini semua bumbu-bumbunya. Tapi kalian pasti udah tahu ya gimana bumbunya. Nah, today video guys, I want to show you how to make coconut chicken Indonesian style. Let's go. We start with this. What we need ingredient. The first time I have chicken in here, ayam. You can use any chicken. Ayamnya apa aja ya. Mau ayam utuh oke, boneless oke, chicken whole chicken oke. And then I have coconut milk, santan kental ya guys. 400 ml. It's 1 can, 400 ml. And I have tamarind sauce or paste, tamarind paste, asam jawa. And then I got this one, coriander seed and peppercorn, white peppercorn, ketumbar sama lada. And I have chili paste. This is not spicy ya guys. Ini cabai merah yang gede guys, nggak pedas karena anak-anak masih makan ya. And then I have salt and sugar. And this is the main ingredients. This is daun salam. I don't know if in here you call bay leaf, but I find it's different with daun salam we got from Indonesia. Salad, bawang merah, garlic, galanggal, ini apa namanya, lengkuas, lemongrass, jahe or ginger. This is candle nut atau kemiri ya guys. Nah ini turmeric atau kunyit. Nah ini chicken block or maggi block in here. Oops. Let's get started guys. First we have to blend everything be like a paste ya. I'm going to use oil in here guys, so the little bit faster. Hopefully spinning. Udah ya. Nah, pas sudah selesai kita hidupin kompor ya, kita panasin because I put already oil in here, so I did not put more oil ya. Oh, it's too much. When it's too much guys, so just use a little bit. I did not use oil. I find it too much. And you know this mash it and put inside. And then this one too. And then we wait ya until it's smiling. I put so much chili in it, okay? Not that too much. Just 1 spoon first. It's just for a little color. If you don't want, you not have to put it. Because it's not spicy. My children will eat. When aroma coming up, and you can add the chicken. I have chicken breast and chicken thigh ya guys. Aku pakai ayam dada sama paha ya, file yang nggak ada. You stir fry until they turn the color, and you can add the coconut. I'm gonna add some tamarind sauce, guys. 1 spoon. Oh, smelling really lovely. Wanginya enak. This is one of the most my husband favorite. He called kuning sauce. And then I'm gonna add some salt and sugar, and then the Maggi block. Okay, now turn to add some coconut, okay? Wow. It's really rich. We'll see if we need some more water or not. We'll see. I don't think so. Enough. Wee, smiling nice. Just add little bit of water to cleanse. It's too much. We'll wait until they cook, yeah. Because this chicken breast is not take long to cook, just wait for 5 and 10 minutes, and then we taste. In here, we don't forget the chili sauce. I have sambal belacan in here. So okay, the first time we take off the heat, yeah, and then stick some chicken in here. in the side. My husband like a chicken so much. Here. And then we pour on top the sauce. Ooh. That how he's eating. Add some. Add some coriander in it, guys. And little sambal on top. What do you think? This is coconut chicken Neni style. Hopefully you can try at home and make it for your family. Sunday meal, Saturday meal, or Friday meal instead. It will love. Them will love it that. You see the texture of the. It's a creamy, not really creamy, but believe me, it's lovely and oh my goodness. Okay guys, today's videos, hope you all enjoy making at home like what I'm making for my family. Happy to share my recipe for you guys. Easy and simple. You can find all ingredient in here, especially in Aberdeen. You can find, although in UK you can find everything in here now. Okay, and see you again in another video, and bye bye. Thank you again. Bye.